Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Sips by tea subscription unboxing for November. Comes with a card, tells you all about your teas on the back, which I will show at the end. Sorry, it's like super bright in here. The sun's coming in. So let's see. I'm gonna grab all of these. Normally when they come in individual bags like this, there's 4. So this is Energy Tea Blue Lady from Zest Tea. There's a single tea bag in here. Wow. Has more than a cup of coffee. No jitters, no crash. Cool. So that's one of my teas. Also received, ooh, I love chai lattes. This is by Four Sigmatic Chai Latte Mix with I don't know how to say that. I was gonna try and then I stopped. Oh, let's see what it says on the back. Sweet, spicy, and caffeine free. I'm probably gonna love that. You just mix it with hot water or you could do it iced. Very cool. Then you also get some fillable tea bags for any loose leaf tea that you receive. So that's pretty much always included. I do get a mix of loose leaf and bag tea. These are neat little packages that are all clear. Okay, I sort of switched angles. It just got so bright all of a sudden. So this is orange flavored. That word you guys have tried to teach me to pronounce, and I always make up a different way to say it every time. But I really like this type of tea. And these are cool. They're like clear little bags. Family made since 1851. And then here's my loose leaf tea. Ooh, merry and bright. There's a little advertisement on that card. I have received several from this company. So Grim Dark, a blend of things that go bump in the night. A deep mix of black teas, clove, and roasted mate. That sounds fun. Bet that tastes good too. So let's take a look at the card. They are customized for each person, so if you got a November box, probably won't be the same as mine. Just depends on what kind of tea you said you like. I drink everything, so they always send me a variety. And then if you really like them, there's always promo codes where you can go buy more and get a discount. So that's what I have for you today. If you guys are interested in a subscription, I have their link below. I also have 2 links for the coldest water bottle. One is a giveaway link if you want to try to win a really awesome bottle, and the other one is a link to their store and a promo code in case you'd like to purchase anything. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.